Hello there. Here we have some pretty hardcore dogs. We have this one, Sparky. And we have... Hey. Come on. Uh-oh. Too hardcore. Let's see him. Right there. Thy name? Be Cruz. Cruz. So here we have Cruz, Sparky, and of course me. And then the all-favored Weatherman. Now what we're going to do is play dog bench with Sparky. You wanna? Go get him. Take him. Come on, go get him.